when it comes to cooking and dual burner stoves, I've been tinkering around on eBay to get your little single burner hiking stoves, find the parts and make it into a 2-burner. The single burner hiking stoves are great for your sort of one pot stuff, or doing one thing at a time, where having a dual burner, you can cook brekkie while you got hot water on for a coffee. You can do 2-pot or 2-pan stuff for dinner and lunch and that sort of thing as well. Obviously you've got the Jetball Genesis, which a lot of you already know about, already seen. Crazy expensive for what it is. I've had before the little gas burner, just your basic Primus one, and then the Coolman Hyperflame, which is great, and I use on family trips and that, and just mainly cook on that. But having something compact enough to go on the bike was something I was looking for. There is a smaller version of the Genesis. I can't remember the name of the brand now. It's a small folding burner, probably that big, which yes, you could put in a pannier or something, but again, space. I think it was through just a Google search, dual burner stove, and come up with this. It says BRS on it, but the brand is SoloHike. Again, nice little package. What's that, about a foot long, 30 centimeters long, and it weighs about 1 kilo, which if you're hiking, it's probably too heavy and too bulky. But on a bike, like, you could just zip tie that or tie that to anything on your bike and hide it real easy. Comes in this nice little case, which is good as well. And the dog's gonna fight now. Hey, stop it. Play nice. He's not gonna play nice. So once we open it up, don't you knock this table. Oi, you'll get the hat. Hat. Nice, compact concertina. Concertina folds in. Bring it here so I can show you. So you got a nice long lead on it, and it does hook up to your little gas cartridges. We'll see how that one goes tonight. But you got dual heat controls, gas flow controls on that as well, and then just concertina's open like that. Pop your little wind vents out, or your wind guards out, and then that is little dual burner. Stainless around the outside, anodised aluminium on the inside. It does have these, they call it a pre-warming function, where the gas comes in, goes up near the burner, back down, and then in to the burner itself. The problem with any butane stove, as you all know, in winter, freezing issues and that sort of thing. 9 times out of 10, the issue is the cold gas going through such a small opening. It's got nothing to do with the burner side of things. Hey, you'll get the hat. That Spots. Stop. We'll cut that one out for goofs. So having that little pre-warmer on there, I don't know how effective that's going to be. We are near the road here, so you're going to get some road noise as well. But as a dual burner, again, BRS on that. It comes up as SoloHike. Amazon, I did find it recently on eBay as well, but it's about $140, whereas on Amazon you get about for $110. I think I got it for $106 because I had it in my cart for a little bit and they put a offer on it, or a discount. But something like that, being able to take on the bike, and as you'll see in a minute, some of the stuff we can do on it, why not? It's going to live under the back seat of the Colorado just as a backup. It might even just be my preferred cooking option when camping, whether it's Colorado, motorbike, caravan, whatever it is. So the SoloHike stove, dual burner. We'll get to some cooking on it and see how it goes. It does have a pretty good range. That's a mid-range there. So that'd be a good simmer there. And if you go up, won't stay there for too long because that's just going to blow a hole in the middle of your pot. Of course, these eBay specials, it might be just brushed aluminium. If you had stainless or cast iron, you could probably go up a bit higher, but yeah, we'll keep it down there. Even something simple like cooking toast, doing toast and something for brekkie on the dual burner. If I was doing this on a single burner, the toast would be going on the plate cold by the time you warm up the spaghetti. Again, if you've got a fire, it'd be alright, but this is why you need dual burn setup. So there you have it. If you're after a nice compact dual burner gas stove for $100, I don't know how you can go wrong. Again, easy to pack on the motorbike. You got your gas canister with you, and it's probably going to suit more for YouTubers that actually do cooking while they're camping, because, as you know, when we're not filming, it's 2-minute noodles, bloody pasta sauce packets, and that sort of thing as well. But yeah, I think that's money well spent. I did pick this up as a Christmas present for myself, and just for summer, not being able to have a fire to cook on, something like this, having a complete dual burner set up with you without having to worry about fire danger. Some nice enclosed sides on it, so even in sort of your medium winds, it doesn't affect it at all either. What else can I say? Head over to Amazon, pick one up while they still make them. Yeah, happy camping.